Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you a couple clips of first Friday, right? I felt horrible, but my wife wanted to take my son to go trunk-or-treating. So when we actually got in the car and started taking him to trunk-or-treating, we didn't know when it ended.
Trunk-or-treat, you need to explain to them what it is.
So trunk-or-treat is where you pretty much just go
we
to
don't know,
a parking lot.
We don't know if other people do it. Maybe it's just like on a base.
No, other people do it.
Oh.
But they go and they show up in a parking lot and then just decorate their trunks with like any Halloween stuff. And then they pass out candy to little kids, right? We got my son ready. You know, like I said, I felt horrible because I got like the flu. And I was like, all right, you know what?
I told them on our last video that you felt sick.
Yeah, well, I was like, all right, we're going to take him. We got him in the car and everything, you know, in his costume, his little dinosaur costume. And on our way over there, I had called one of my buddies to see if it was still going on. And he told me I had finished. And we were like maybe 4 minutes out already. And we're like, oh, we felt super bad. So we're like, you know what? He's already all hyped up in his little costume. And he's ready. So we're like, we're taking him to the store and we're buying him a big old bag of candy. So we did. We went.
We literally walked inside the store and he was dressed up in his dinosaur
So we're going to show you a couple clips of that. And here they go.
Dominic. Ahora de lado, ahora de lado. A ver, Dominic. Dominic. Di roar. Dilo, dilo. Dilo. ¿Cómo? No te digo. Oh. What? These?
Those are these. That's every Skittles Starburst. Starburst, Skittles.
Hi, dinosaur. Are you a dinosaur?
¿Cómo? Dominic, ¿cómo le hacen los dinosaurs? Ay, ay, ay.
The trick or treat.
Wow.
A ver qué son. A ver la bolsa. Alright guys, so this next clip that we're going to show you guys is our little adventure that we took Dominic to, a little pumpkin patch in Temple.
¿Ves el helicopter, pa? Mira, estamos aquí en el pumpkin patch. Wow. Look, baby. Look. Dominic, helicopter. Huh? I don't know. There it goes, landing. Dominic loves helicopters.
Okay guys, so we came to bring Dominic to a pumpkin patch. It says that there's gonna be farm animals, bounce pads, corn maze, a huge playground, hay rides. So we'll see how it is. Look at this line.
It used to be like that. If like you were riding rides.
Dominic, are you excited? Yeah. Duck races, guys.
corn maze. We're about to go through. Hopefully we don't get lost. Come on, papi. Mira. Ajá, mira, mira, ven. Where should we go, babe? This way or that way? Let's go this way. Left or right? We out here. Went through a corn maze.
Vaya, córrele. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good job. Dominic leading us in this corn maze. Yay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Yeah. ¿Cuál pumpkin quieres? Ah, mira, vamos acá. Mira esta. ¿Te gustó esta? Mira. You like this one? No. Aisha?
Now he's making a little sand pumpkin.
You want to fill it up?
Blue. Next we'll put green. Okay. What's next? Be careful, don't mix it like that. That's gonna
No,
mix
don't
all
make
the
it
colors together. Put some orange in it too. Some red. I'm using mine like 3 colors.
3 colors? Our sand pumpkins. This one's mine, Dominic's, and Marco's. We got a little messed up, but it's okay. Marco's is like perfect. Dominic's is better. Looks like tie-dye. Look at this pumpkin jumper. Dominic! This pumpkin patch is like the cutest thing. They have so many like activities to do. So much fun.
Soltate.
Dominic, picture, picture. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking creative. By the way, you guys, that helicopter has been giving rides. They literally have a helicopter giving rides. $45 rides.
Ahora échale mamá, échale mamá.
Babe, pour it on him.
There's a girl here.
God, how cute!
para ir a. Mira,
Look at it. Dale de comer, Dominic. I'm obsessed. Kiss. Kiss. Look, oink.
See how accurate it is.
Go, babe.
Shoot it. It's on.
Dominic.
Hey, Daddy, what you doing, Mom?
Dominic. Dominic.
Dominic! Dominic! Hi, puppy. Hi.
Guys, we are so tired. We just got back from the pumpkin patch. Dominic is exhausted. He had so much fun. We're finally back. Marco's getting a haircut right now. That's why he's not here. He has to go to work tomorrow, so he had to get a haircut. And we stopped by In-N-Out to get some food. We bought Dominic some chicken nuggets from Wendy's because he wouldn't really want to eat In-N-Out. But he only ate 2 chicken nuggets and passed out. He had so much fun though, you guys. That was so fun. Like, the pumpkin patch was so cute. There were so many fun things to do. Dominic loved it. What is the pumpkin? Wow, you like it? ¿Cuál es el pumpkin de mama y papa? Wow. So we bought these pickles and this jam. It's blackberry jam from the pumpkin patch that we went to.
From a homemade farm.
It's super good, you guys. I hate
Pickles.
pickles, but I tried these. Did I spell you? I tried these and they were so good, you guys. I wish I can like give you guys one so you guys can try it because they're really good. And I hate them. I usually hate them. Wait, what is this one, babe? The sweet?
They're sweet pickles.
Sweet pickles. And the ones that I hate are sour?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are sweet pickles. The pickles you guys probably know about are the sour pickles. And we also tasted these spicy pickles, and those were so good too. I already ate my burger. Marco's eating his burger now. So
It was
yeah.
pretty dope. There was a helicopter. There was a little playground, a jumper, a lot of stuff.
Let us know what you guys think. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
All right, see you soon.
Bye.